There we go. Everything working as intended. The late adopter. Hi guys, welcome to day 15 of the trading challenge. We are still up, so it's good. We are not down below 227. Unfortunately, we have not been doing that well, for the last week or so. But that's life. What can you say? That said, in the very start, we had a very nice start. Then it, went a little bit, sideways. Then we had, oh yeah, this is going good, euphoria. And then, reality hits over here on the bottom side after day 8. So that's where we are right now. We are down to 273 bucks. But, we are not giving up because this is entertainment, guys. It is very, very important to understand that this stream is entertainment. Disclaimer, don't copy trade me, don't do stupid stuff, don't think I'm a retail trader, don't copy trade a retail trader. That's what I'm trying to say. This is not financial advice. You do your money, I'll do my money, I do my trades, you do your trades. You know how this works, but that's the disclaimer. That's it, guys. Hope you're doing well. I made money on rates. Well, we didn't. So we're gonna check out how rates actually played out. Just right after getting note file. All is good. Very, very nice, Leroy. We are live. Van team is in the chat. Hey, that's very, very nice. But we lost $4 over here. So we're gonna look at first thing first. We're gonna check out what's happening with the rates trade, or what happened with the rates trade. Buy it now. 1,000 rates. There we go. This one. So you can see up here. This is on the daily time frame. We're gonna zoom in really, really hard to see actually what was going on. And right over here, this is where we traded. So we went long at right over here somewhere. This is where we went long. We didn't take profits over here, or over here. And once we actually pulled back over here, we still didn't have a stop loss over here. So we went over here, inside this little bit channel. It failed to break that towards the upside. But as soon as we actually came over here, we put a stop loss on our entry. Now you see over here what happened on our entry, got a wicked out. Now, if we had, we didn't get a wicked out over here, maybe, just maybe, there has been a probability, to take profits at, 10% or something like that. Because this went 1.19% from where we go. So technically speaking, we are on the right, path to where we should go. But I was thinking a little bit about trade, and we traded the 1 minute time frame. We should also have taken the profits on 1 minute time frame. So, there is that. Because, oftentimes these, 1 minute time frame, even though, bigger time frames are going to go towards the upside, small time frames pull back down. So if we trade on 1 minute, we take profits on 1 minute. After that, it failed to break the blue box up here at top. It pulled back heavily towards the downside over here, and just continue going towards the downside. Now we were thinking that it might go towards the downside, but the reason we were actually longing was because we are trading 1 minute time frame. It looked like it might have a nice pump over here towards the upside, and we might catch that. Unfortunately, life happens. We got stopped out up here. There is not much to say about the trade, but this is how things goes. I think we did pretty fine up here. There was some kind of pattern up down here on the downside over here. I actually like that over here. The pattern holding the support level. I thought it might actually bounce towards the upside. Started bouncing. We FOMO'd in on the green candle. We did not buy the wick on the downside over here. Actually, technically, we should have actually bought the wick down all the way down over here towards the downside when it started pulling back up here. Because this was actually very, very nice. Unfortunately, we're a little bit late, and stuff happens. So we had a little bit high entry over here. You can see up here we got stopped out, and then the move came towards the upside. Can't complain that too much. I mean, we only lost $4. We lost the fees, 1.5 plus some, 1 plus some. So there's that. Right now, there's it's day 15. It's 30 of 6th. And we're gonna check out what we're gonna trade. That said, Bitcoin is doing okay-ish. Bitcoin is doing okay-ish, and what is it over here? Bitcoin is doing okay. It has kind of same pattern as that threads move on the downside over here, but it looks a little bit bullish. It looks a little bit bullish, although I do expect another dump towards downside over here because we are getting a weekly close. If you look at a weekly close over here, what you're gonna see over here that the weekly close candle is actually managing to stay above the support level over here. It's still climbing towards upside, but I think there will be some kind of pullback either over here or even more towards downside over here to create the wick on the downside over here. Just like, you know, every time you pull back you create some kind of wick or something like that. It doesn't have to create wick, but you know, often times it does. Will create some kind of wick, and after that you know, it might actually continue going towards upside. So we're gonna check that out. But you know, we are still holding above the support levels over here. You'll see over here below, we are technically below the moving averages, but there is a very nice chance to bounce, you know, try to get back above these moving averages over here towards the upside. Where is the line up here goes? Maybe something like this up here, give or take. So there is a decent chance, you know, to retest the levels up here towards the upside. So there is that. Now the big question is what's going to happen next over here on the small time frames. And the small time frames did actually break towards the upside. I think they broke towards the upside but I'm not quite, you know, 100% sure over here. I mean, even this line over here broke towards the upside. I think it is pretty much outside of this 4-hourly channel. We had this 4-hourly channel previously, and I think we are pretty much out of that. I think I pulled the channel all the way down to over here, something like that as well. But regardless of how you look at the channel, either this one or this one, both channels are actually getting broken right now. So technically it is a little bit bullish over here in the short term towards the upside. That said, it's still not pumping that much. I mean, it's up 1.7%. It's coming to this resistance level up here. I think we are getting into this, you know, area where the shorting might actually start. Right now is 10:55, so we just had a 4-hourly close over here. We'll see the 4-hourly close. 4-hourly close didn't break the resistance level. Actually did break the resistance level up here towards the upside. You can see the yellow line, and right now it's doing this wick over here towards the upside. I think there is actually good reason for why this should actually pull a little bit more towards downside over here before actually dumping down over here, maybe retesting the channel over here towards some kind of 60 levels. Let's say we retest the channel at 60 levels over here towards downside. What you're gonna see over here on the weekly time frame, like we said, once we actually retest that and, you know, pull back during the, you know, Monday or something like that, or after the daily close, you know, this 60 level might get hit again. We created this wick, nice wick up here, and then bounce towards the upside. So if you go over here to a 4-hourly time frame, you'll see that, you know, if it does do the move over here and goes down all the way down here towards these levels, you know, that might actually, you know, get us a very nice support, because it is outside of the channel over here, so it might do the retest. And I think the retest is very, very likely right now. And over here, this looks like, you know, it slowly is going to start breaking towards downside before it actually dumps. So the big question is, what are we gonna trade today? We do not know just yet, but we're gonna figure it out eventually. Still holding that ETH long. Oh man, how long are you holding? What's the level you entered the ETH long? What's the level you entered the ETH long at? Let me just remove a couple of lines over here on ETH. This looks like it's kind of holding. It kind of looks like a legit channel though. Broke down over here, consolidating, but there is right now a very nice line over here somewhere, like this over here. Oh, it looks juicy. Not done quite just yet. Not done quite just yet. It might pull back again, do another, you know, another bottom over here towards downside, and then go. Still haven't broken this downtrend over here, even though it's just consolidating. Looks like a good short happening now on Pepe. How much is Pepe up, and, you know, whether that's good short or not, we're gonna check it out. Right now 2.2% up. Shoot of Pepe up here is a very sharp move towards the upside up here. It's already pulling back a little bit. Let's go daily time frame up here. What's happening on daily time frames? It's coming up to this resistance level. Might pull back, not quite sure. Let's see the weekly time frame over here. Weekly time frame looks bullish, man. Weekly time frame looks very, very bullish. Now it might create, of course, after the weekly close, it might create just like Bitcoin, you know, this week over here, and then continue towards upside. But this setup up here on 10 moving average, this green candle does look a little bit bullish to me. Let's look at other meme coins up here. You can see up here this Doge also looks nice bullish on the on the 200 moving average on the weekly time frame up here. So, you know, might create another more move down before big moves towards us. Shiba Inu A little bit unsure how this actually looks. This looks like it might actually dump a little bit more towards the downside. But if you look at the small time frames, this looks actually legitimately nice. So somebody asked me about Shiba Inu, I think yesterday or the day before that. You can see how these things create triple bottom down here, and then they go. At least from us, you can see up here, big move towards downside, exhaustion pattern up here, or a capitulation, and then it starts doing this, you know, this move up here. Once this starts breaking towards the upside, it's a big move towards the upside. But right now it's still, you know, going towards downside. Now the big question is whether we're gonna, you know, try to catch the falling knife over here or not. Because if it does that, you know, this move up here towards the upside might be actually very legit. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna put one alarm clock over here. What is our alarm clock? And we're gonna say going down, and we're gonna put alarm clock on this baby over here. There we go. We got an alarm clock up here, so if it does come back below these lows over here, we can also draw the channel just so we have that up here. Something like this looks very, very nice, legit. So if it starts dumping over here towards the downside inside this area up here, we might get some kind of, you know, notification. We are this on 12-hour time frame up here. The trend already broke towards upside. Momentum is building towards upside up here. Looks very nice. The daily time frame over here also, I think it did break towards upside up here. Right now, we're just looking at the RSI up here. It looks like break towards upside right now. Consolidating over here, might have another move towards downside. Bullish cross on the daily time frame, weekly time frame of really expanding towards downside. Big moves towards downside, but right now sitting on these 45 levels. Looks nice, looks juicy, but I think, you know, there might come this move towards downside. Now, how much is this move towards downside right now? 8%, man. Wow, that's a I'm a little bit unsure whether that's gonna happen. Tell you the truth, guys, I'm a little bit unsure whether that's gonna happen. 8% move down. I don't know. Right now over here to over here like 4.5%. That's, you know, if it does happen, you know, if we do get some kind of, you know, flash, you know, tomorrow or after the daily close, we might be very happy bunch of guys. I set limit order, take profits on your lines, and then insta drop to stop loss. I set limit order, take profits based on your lines. Why are you doing my lines, man? Did I just tell you? Retail trader. Didn't I just tell you? Do not copy trade me. Didn't I just tell you? You're gonna lose all your money if you do that. And then insta drop to stop loss. Yeah, at least you got a stop loss. That's good. What's up, the beauty? How you doing, man? And Marie, good evening. How you doing? Hope you doing. I'm LC. I'm EC. I don't know what's that. I'm lazy. I'm lazy with a Z. I'm lazy. You're lazy. Okay, yeah, it's cool. It's cool. You're welcome to use my lines, but do not blame me. You know, if stuff goes south or north or west or east, whatever. Let's over here look at a little bit what's happening in Bitcoin up here. Wife is sending me messages. Oh, I gotta do something. Nah, she's gotta do something, not me. That said, I know a guy, guys. There is this guy. I know a scammer guy. There is this scammer guy who came into our chat and, you know, he shilled his coins and got everybody to buy his coins. Then he left the chat. I mean, if that's not a scam, I don't know what it is, right? So guy comes in, gets everybody, you know, shills his coins, gets everybody to buy them, and then, you know, gets out. But I got inside information on how we can get back at him. Guys, this guy is short on Bitcoin. Don't ask me how I know, but he's short on Bitcoin. So I'm thinking if we can pump Bitcoin, you know, like 10%, get him wrecked, send him to Fri CET, I'm gonna be a happy lad. Unfortunately, I think he might survive this day, but you know, there is that. Don't worry, beer money or milk money. It's fine, it's fine. So here there is a big move towards the downside up here. Let's see over here, 4-hour time frame. What's happening with 4-hour time frame? Do we have any kind of break trend over here? Still no break in the trend. Still, you know, going steadily over here towards the upside. On the RSI, nothing is actually changed. Momentum is also building slowly towards upside right now. It is actually holding very, very strong. So what I'm thinking right now, without actually thinking whether Bitcoin is going to go up or down, let's just assume that, you know, by the time the daily close comes, it will go down. That said, it doesn't have to go down or, you know, immediately right now. Again, that said, stuff might start moving towards downside, especially some altcoins already before they actually dump. So I think we're going to check out some altcoins and see actually what altcoins are doing. And figure out whether we're gonna, you know, do altcoins or not. So we are on a 4-hourly time frame. We're just gonna go a little bit and try to figure out. Over here we are hitting major resistance level up here at the tops. This is Algorand right now. You can see the major resistance level. It is green, so if you wanna short, this is time to short up here somewhere. The trend is broken over here already. The trend goes something like this up here. The trend broke over there. Then we got a new trend over here, something like this, and it goes all the way down to the bottom down there. So there is some kind of trend over here right now, and it already kind of broke. Also, this move up here, let's create this, nice pivot point over here. That broke this line over here. Actually managed to get it back inside it. Move up here. Let's actually channel up here. We know where the channel is. Let's check out the channel up here. It goes over here to over here, all the way down there, give or take. And right now it's sitting on this midline over here, but this line up here is very, very important, and it doesn't seem that it's actually breaking that towards the upside. So I'm thinking maybe Algorand short. Let's go over here on the daily time frame, see how this is actually playing out. Oh, that's playing out very, very nicely. It's breaking the resistance level over here. Let's see the fault line. There's the resistance level 200 moving average. There is no actually divergence or anything like that. It is actually looking very, very strong. But this 20 moving average is mighty important. Let's see weekly time from over here. I think it's gonna continue next week, but we're just trying to catch the small moves, and we are very, very close to those small moves. And I think we are getting very close to shorting Algorand right now, even though it is at the very, very top. So here it is going very, very stable towards top. So we're gonna try to figure out. Where we're gonna short Algorand. No point in looking for a lot of other coins. Like as soon as we see something interesting, we take that because it is scalp trading, whatever you want to call it, right? And this looks like it might pull back a little bit, right? Now I still don't know how much pullback this actually might have. I mean, 1% is all the way down here, so the volatility is decent enough. This on 1 hourly time frame. In the last 4 hours, it is up 2.35% in 4 hours, so it's pretty decent up here. Right now it's hitting these tops over here. So let's wait. And we've been chatting for a little while, for 20 minutes, so we gotta take a little bit of break. By the way, guys, you're not part of our TA Fans Club Telegram channel, public Telegram channel, you're welcome to join. In the meanwhile, let's check it out. Now this 1 minute time frame over here, we got a 5 minute time frame up here. Do we have any kind of volume up here right now kicking in? Oh, there's a big volume up here right now, exhausting pattern up here. This is gonna drop down like for sure, man. But upside up here is quite heavy if it does go towards upside. I'm looking at Bitcoin over here at the top side. On the 4 hourly, I think I gotta go a little bit small time frames over here. Let me say, check out 30 minutes up here, 1 hour up here. It's kind of starting to break a little bit towards downside, but might have a nice pump towards upside. So we're gonna check it out, and I think what I wanna see is another. You see up here is big volume candles over here. I think I wanna see some kind of one more volume candle. It doesn't have to come, but if it does come, that's our entry point. The way I see it over here on the short. It might be quick scalps, quick short, but there's that. Now we still got 3 hours left until the daily close. I'm a little bit unsure whether we're gonna be live until the daily close ends, but we're just gonna keep on watching this up here. There's a good chance it might actually break the resistance level, pick up whatever it's up here at the top, and then go towards downside. But if you pick it up here somewhere over here, it goes towards downside. We don't have to move that much to get our 10%. And if it continues snowballing, all good and dandy. Let's take a break. Just joining guys, trading some, please tell me if I can enter. You cannot enter, man. The disclaimer says, do not copy trade me. Ah, nice copy trade. Do not copy trade. I don't know if you guys are aware, but we've been losing a whole bunch. Your daily low is slow. So this didn't go, this actually tapped 2 times, broke down. How much is it towards upside up here? 0.6%. Can we afford to lose 0.6%? Let's look at a little bit more over here. 4 hourly closing up here. Double top already. 1 hourly, we got a doji. We don't have a doji on the 1 hourly. We just got a 46 candle. 6:30 means no doji. 50 minutes. I think we can just start trading Algorand right now. I mean, it's already breaking down. So, you know, breakout traders. Hero can't. Buy high, sell low. I wanna enter. You do you, man. We have a saying here on this channel. You do you, I do me. You do your money, I'll do my money. Entertainment only. Retail trader. You're watching retail trader at work. Algo, USDT, Bybit, perpetual. There we go. Ooh, did you see that? We wait a little bit too long, man. We wait a little bit too long. But I think we can still do it, man. I think we can still do it. This is 0.5% up here. If it goes up here above, and we had this, you know, nice candle up here, but I don't know. Algo, Rand, perpetual. 5 minutes. It's already breaking down. Maybe you should wait for a retest or something like that. Do you guys think that we already enter? Why? Why would you do that? Maybe I'm gonna change my mind. Maybe I'm like, you know what? It looks bullish. I'm not gonna do it. And then you stuck. Are you guys short on algo? I think I might be short on algo soon. I don't know just yet. I don't know just yet. You know, we don't want to break the, you know, second rule of the trade, you know, trading. You know, do not trade coin after looking at it for 2 minutes. So, you know, let's look at it a little bit and see what's happening, right? Kaspa. What's happening, Kaspa? Kaspa was actually very, very bullish. But right now, ooh, that pullback, man. Look at that candle over here. That looks juicy for a long. Not gonna lie. So over here, it might go a little bit more towards the downside, but it looks juicy for long. Eventually, maybe tomorrow. $50 minutes already. Went down a little bit up here. There's nice line over here. Let's look at a 15 minutes up here. Still 30 minutes left. But it's bearish candle. 4 hourly looks like that. 1 hourly looks like that. 30 minutes, 15 minutes. I don't know. I think we can do it over here. At least over here, because this move up here is 35% towards the upside. 1 minute time frame up here. Do we have anything lower? This is Bybit, right? I mean, the volume on this thing is very, very low. But 50 minutes didn't break anything right now. I mean, I don't know what I'm waiting for, guys. Oh man, I could have entered up here right now. I need to enter over here. We already lost like a whole bunch of money. I don't want to do it now. I don't want to do it now. Like, we already lost like 0.3%. Already lost 0.3%. Oh man, I don't want to do it now, man. I want to go home. Doge on 5-minute time frame. Ooh, that looks like it might actually break towards upside. Here, Algo P CVD is falling. Algo USD P CVD. What is a CVD? I'm not really good with these kind of things, you know. I don't know what CVD is. Pullback, call it some kind of sport. I don't know what kind of sport over here there is, but you know, it's some kind of sport over here. Let's go to 1-minute time frame up here, double bottom up here. Might actually try to do that. I really would like to, you know, this to break towards upside up here above these highs, and you know, get something up here towards upside. Algo still bullish. HTF is king. Algo would fall just like LFT and LDO. Caspa short, no FOMO. Yeah, no FOMO. We don't FOMO over here. If you lose the trade, we lose the trade. Doesn't matter, right? But there is some kind of buying coming in over here on these levels over here. Why on these levels? Daily 200 moving average. It's right up there. That's support level. There is no divergence. We already know that. Like, it looks bullish, but you know, we really don't care what's happening on big time frames because right now, you know, all focus on small time frames. Up here towards upside over here. All focus on small time frames. There we go. You have you got 1 minute close. There is a doji up here. It might actually pull back a little bit up here. There's a big doji, big wick towards the upside. I think I want to wait for it. If it goes down, it's a little straight. We're gonna start looking for something else. It's fine. But if it does go up, like, it just gives us more opportunity to, you know, to short it. Cumulative volume data, CVD. Cumulative volume data is falling, but it's falling. Yeah, volume is falling on what? There we go. We got a 5-minute close up here. There's a nice doji up here. Might pull back a little bit. Might actually go right up there again because this volume is very crap. Caspa is over now for me. I short Inge. $50 10x. Should use CVD. I don't want to use CVD. Is CVD an indicator or something like that? CVD. Oh, the new stuff. The new stuff. Oh, I see that. I see that. Ooh, do we like this? Do we like this indicator, guys? It's a new stuff, you know, fresh out of the oven. Ooh, look at that. CVD data. What is this over here? Let's see over here. Indicator up here. CVD new show indicator. There is nothing that explains the usage. And you use custom time frame. The indicator scans lower time frames that to approximate up and down volume used based on that calculation. By default, the time frame is shows automatically. These inputs override this. Okay, so just some kind of time frame. 1 minute. Okay. I don't know. Seems like there's a big volume up here, big volume spike, but you can already see the volume spike. Like, volume is falling down. Tubas, can you take a look at Spooky Swap, please? Isn't Spooky Swap the DEX of Phantom? I think it is. I think it is. Spooky Swap. Spooky Swap. Total value locked. There is Spooky Swap on CoinEx. Boo. What do you want to know about it, man? It's coming back down again like everything else. You see this line over here? I'm going to show you something. You see this line over here? A lot of coins are doing the same thing over here. If you look at a previous bull market, this is what usually happens. You will see some kind of run up where we'll break the support levels, we'll break the trend, we will go down over here, we'll consolidate over here somewhere. I don't know where the consolidation, but this is going very steeply towards downside. You will consolidate somewhere and then you go up from that point on, right? This is down by a whole bunch since this stops at 42 bucks, you know, so whether it's gonna come back up there again, I don't know. But I do believe that, you know, eventually everything goes up. But, you know, this is very common pattern on all coins right now. They did, you know, these double tops over here, broke the trend. Right now doing this consolidation pattern before the next move towards the upside. The most interesting part over here is this downtrend over here. You have to use CVD together with an open interest. Nah, it's too much, man. Yeah, open interest, CVD, volume profile, this, that, like volume here, volume there. Nah, we have lines. That's the only thing we need. We got a lines, and that's it, man. That's it. We got a lines and a couple indicators down here, my own included. That's it. RSI, MACD, overextensions. No overextensions right now. 5-minute time frame, no overextension right now. Pulling back down there again. 15 minutes up here, it's consolidating up here towards downside. 1 hourly is actually a little bit overextended, or it was overextended a little bit over here on this part. So it's pulling back. So we are a little bit late to the party, technically speaking, you know. We are already, you know, it already is down like, you know, 0.63% over here. And right now, it's just not moving. Like, it's literally just not moving. There is no volatility in this thing over here right now. Kaspa is down already 4.3%, something like that. Bitcoin is pulling back, or it did pull back to the support level over here. I don't know if it's support level or not, but okay, Bitcoin did this move up here, might actually do a nice pump towards the upside. I'm still waiting for Algo to do the move towards the upside. Regardless, I want Algo to do the move towards the upside. So, you know, I'm good waiting, guys. I'm good waiting. No FOMO over here. No FOMO. 36 seconds up here. 33 seconds. Yo, Thomas Leon. How you doing? Solana. Thomas Leon don't have to trade. He buys at bottoms and waits. Oh man, this is gonna burn. Like we could already been up like, you know, 0.42. Bitcoin faking out of trend. I see 58k again. Yeah, I mean I don't know 58k, but I do see like, you know, 60k very likely next week. Good evening, Piro. Italia, how you doing, man? Italia is out of the race. Long or short? I'm looking for a short right now. But I still would like, you know, this move towards upside before doing anything like, but it's not coming, just not coming. And, you know, this move towards upside was, you know, the move to short, but, you know how we are. Sometimes we are not that, you know, trigger happy. So we kind of, you know, miss the moves, you know, but that's life. That's life. 1 hourly is still pulling back down. Like, look at this 4 hourly. Nah, this is just pulling back. Like, it's already in a trend towards downside, and it's going, and I think right now, you know, if it doesn't pull back, there is. That said, let's go and look something else. Maybe we can find something else that, you know, didn't do the same thing that, you know, Algo is doing right now. So Atom up here. Ooh, Atom looks good for sure, but it's already down like on 4 hourly, down like 2.3%. It's already bleeding down big time. Look at this consolidation over here. Anchor. Yes, we suck big time. It happens, man. I saw the score on Italy versus Slovakia, and it was 0-1 to Slovakia, and I was like, Italy's, you know, England is losing, it's gonna go out. And then I check out the result later, and it's like 2-1 after extra time, you know. So never give up, but, you know, unfortunately Italy's already out, so, you know, there's that. Polkadot. Do we have anything green candle? Phantom has a green candle. A little bit overextend up here. Doji on top. Ooh, we can short Phantom. You might be saying, man, you don't want to short Phantom. No, I do want to short Phantom. Dude, it's bullish. I know. I don't care. We short and long. Pepe short was juicy call. I don't know. Did Pepe already go down? Yeah, 1.5. Yeah. So, you know, it was juicy call. Thoughts on Doge over the next year or so. Just remember, who is the CEO of Dogecoin? Andrew Cabral. If you want to make it in this space, you gotta answer this question right. Who is the CEO of Dogecoin? You got 20 seconds to answer me the question. Everything is pulling down, even Bitcoin over here, man. Even Bitcoin. Everyone looking for signals. Guys, this is not a signal channel. Please, guys, please. Daddy Elon, exactly. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Do you need to know anything else? So now think where it's gonna be in 1 year's time. Do I have to explain to you everything? You know, you already know, man. Exactly. The CEO of Dogecoin is Elon Musk. Now, second question. Which other meme coin has a CEO that's so famous, so big, millions and millions followers, maybe even 1 billion followers by now? Everybody knows his name. Which other meme coins got a CEO that famous? And then tell me you're a bearish on Dogecoin. Or where the Dogecoin is gonna be. Guys, I'm feeling sad, man. I'm feeling sad, man. I'm smart, man. Got it. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Billy Marks. I don't know who that is. I'll go safe to enter it short because Bitcoin is falling too. Kinda not. Let's wait. We got time. This is, you know, real life trading. You're watching the charts. You don't do anything. You don't press the buttons up and down. You don't buy and sell. Just watch. You know, people think, you know, trading. I want to be a day trader. I want to trade every day. You know, I'm a click, click, click. This is not hacking. This is like, even hacking is very boring. Like, hacking like is really, really boring, right? It's very slow. You know, there is no, you know, speed to hacking. You know. You might think because, you know, the numbers might go fast from time to time, but it's very slow. The same thing over here. It's very, very slow. Monthly close. We got a monthly close. By the way, how is Bitcoin monthly close gonna play out? Well, we are keeping the support level, so that's good. Can't complain about that. Like, all support levels are being held. Went down to the, look here. Not this one. Went down to the support level, broke there, right back up again, right now holding that support level. Really, really nice. Two major support level on a monthly close up here. Both are being held still, which is very, very nice. If you don't hit the like button, no coins you have will spike. Guys, you heard Shamal. If you don't hit the like button, your coins won't spike. If you want your coins to spike, you gotta hit the like button. What you trading, bro? We're trading algo. Maybe. We don't know just yet. I mean, some guys already took the trade. I don't know why. You know, they do their money. I do my money. I stop loss with you on BNB. Exactly. See, Hassan, this is what I'm trying to tell you guys. Don't copy trade me. Monthly close today. Series. Bro, how about you make a crypto funded series in some funded company? Nah. I don't do that. Why would I want to get funded by some company? You know, that company should be paying me. I should be funding the company and telling, you know, here's some money, you know, trade for me. Why should I be trade? Why should I make some other company money? I mean, first of all, I cannot make money because, you know, not a good trader, retail. Second of all, I mean, you know, traders working for some company, inward charts makes analysis easy. That's right. Let's do that. Nice. I already see it. Resistance level. But resistance level, pull back and then go up. I already see it. Thank you, man. Thank you. You gave us hope. And right now we need to wait again. Unfortunately. You know, sometimes you can, but this is really, really correct. Invert chart makes analysis easy. And it's not because invert chart is, you know, for some reason, you know, easier to trade. It's because when you watch something for so long, you kind of lose the track of what you are watching, right? You don't kind of see it. So you invert the chart and suddenly you kind of see it because you see it with a new pair of eyes. You know, when writers write books or something, novels, you know, whatever, oftentimes they let other people read their novels because they can spot things that they can, because they, you know, their brain might not process the thing that they have written the way it should be, you know, because maybe in their brain, you know, something should sound a little bit, you know, this way, but they wrote it a little bit the other way, and now they cannot, you know, connect those two things, right? But when you invert the chart, or when you let somebody else look at the chart for you, then you can see it, you know, with a different eyes. Unfortunately, you know, we are kind of not, maybe the 50 moving average over here, 114 something up here. Maybe. I mean, everything is hopium by this point. Like, it already went away from us. We should already been in trade, you know, from this top over here. I don't know what we are waiting for up here. So, you know, there is that right now. This, you know, 5-minute time frame up here. Pushing down heavily towards downside over here right now. I think we already lost. I think we lost a whole bunch of stuff right now. Whole bunch of stuff was lost, unfortunately. But we do have, in 30 minutes, there is another 1 hourly close over here. So what we can actually do over here is look for a green candle and show that. Just green candle. Like, let's find a green candle and show that green candle. By the way, Phantom looked nice. Right, Phantom, like we said, Phantom looks bullish. Yeah, Phantom is very, very bullish. Two major levels of resistance over here. Does kind of look a little bit nice over here. Maybe something like this. Maybe all the way down there. Let me remove the moving averages and just remove a little bit lines up here. Where does this line go? Go something like this over here. I think it was something like this. But it looks bullish though. This nice double bottom, everything is nice. But you know, small time frames tell me, you know, let's see, where are the major resistance level over here? Let's go to the weekly time frame up here. What do we have over here? Where is the monthly? Weekly up here. Monthly, weekly are the same level. If you tap that, daily time frame up here, that's over here, that bounced off of that daily time frame, which is very nice. But you know, I'm not really interested in but you got nothing else. Like all the way up here, that's resistance. That's too high. So you gotta be over here on the daily time frame, right? Major level resistance, right? But there goes some kind of line over here. This can actually hit very, very high. It's like 6-1 something. This already broke towards the upside. How much upside up here is right now? 0.5. Well, that's pretty high. Let's go to 1 minute time frame. Big move and then big sell off up here. Right back up there again. So side trade today might work. I'll go USDT Bybit. Oh man. Imagine taking this trade. Ah man. See? We could have been done for today. I could have been doing other stuff. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. It's funny because it goes down, accumulate, you know, manipulate, distribute, and then go down. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. That's very nice said. Let's just short this. I mean, it goes a little bit fast, but it's 1 minute time frame. Short now from 1430. 1430 over here. Yeah, you didn't wait, man. Also shorted. I don't know. Maybe I want to short this. I don't know. It's a little bit high move. Let's look at 4-hourly time frame up here. It's a little bit extended, maybe a little bit extended, not that much, just a little bit extended. On the daily time frame, there is no extension on the daily time frame, so it's only really small, very small time frames over here. I don't know. Everyone in chat is Warren Buffett when it comes to trading. Of course, everybody knows. Waiting for a VWAP to break. VWAP on what? I gotta take a break. I'm too emotional right now. Too emotional. Ooh, that's juicy. Oh, that's nice. Bitcoin. Live will end soon. Why? Why would live end soon? We're just getting warmed up. Only 57 minutes in. Resistance level. 1 hourly up here. 15 minutes, 1 hourly. We're gonna wait. You know what? We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait for 1 hourly close. And then we're gonna wait for a week. Then we're gonna wait for the doji. But we already have it. It's already at the resistance level. It's already broken down. No. The channel is over here. The channel is up there. What time is it there? 11:44 p.m. Bitcoin 3-day chart below 50 moving average after 1 year. No way. Wow. But it was over here. But you know, every time you go below 50 moving average, you're at the bottom. So maybe that's good, huh? Maybe that's a good thing, right? Dodge over here. Same time here in South Africa. You in South Africa? Damn. How's life in South Africa? Hot and sweaty. By the way, how's weather in South Africa? It's like plus 30, 40 degrees every day. 3:15 a.m. in India. Same here in Algeria. How can it be same time in Algeria? It's winter now. It's winter, but it's plus 30. Yeah, because you are in the southern hemisphere, so you know it's winter times. I think we can short it. Call me crazy. I think we can short, but we average 28 degrees. Yeah, winter time you average 28 degrees. Madness. I think we short this. I don't know. Call me crazy. Am I crazy? Am I crazy? 1 hourly up here. How much upside up here? 0.12, 0.54. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it! Phantom. Perpetual. Am I gonna do it? Yeah, I'm gonna do it. This time I'm gonna do it. Nah, maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Ooh, 20x. I'm not doing 20x, man. 10x, confirm. Isolate 100%. No, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. It's going up again. It looks consolidation up here. Wicks on the bottom side. Nah. See, guys. 3 minutes left. Nah, I'm gonna do it. No, it is, but over here it's, nah, I can do it open short. Open short. How do we need to stop doing market shorts and opens. We need to stop doing that. I'm blue ball, man. Butin! The blue ball. People here don't know blue balls, man. Blue balls is like 2 years back. One more pump. Yeah. Fight with your fear to make money. Gamble it. Sometimes winter we average 19 degrees. Short or near. 35 degrees on a hottest day. That's heavy. At least we are going in the right direction so far. We up $3. Ladies and gentlemen, we up $3. I mean, we shorted up here and then, you know, our open is 57.12. All the way down, like 57, like we shorted up here, like $200 market order, $200 moves, you know, price. How much? 0.16%. Imagine that. Pepe breaking trend. Click it on limit order. But then we have to wait to get in and, you know, so boring. Yes, you are the most definitely crazy. Wait, how you doing, man? By the way, wait, I sent you a message on Telegram. I don't know if you saw that. Shorting the support. Well done. Well done. It's getting rejected up here a little bit. Hourly candle closing in 10 minutes. Still got 10 minutes left. Haven't seen your message, sorry. I haven't been on TG for a while. It's okay, man. See it when you can. God damn it. Got a double bottom up here. It's gonna break this trend over here. It's gonna pump so hard. Bitcoin is not falling down yet. It's 1.55. Maybe it's waiting for the daily close. That's like 2 hours left. 2 hours left, man. We traded at the wrong time, man. 2 hours and 9 minutes left on the daily close. For hourly close. 4 hourly close is a little bit bearish though. 1 hourly close. 5 minutes. Looks like some kind of double bottom over here, but we got nothing yet. We got nothing yet. And the thing that's supposed to do, let's look Phantom USDT Bybit. Let's do this on Bybit because maybe a bit better candles. Yeah, better candles. 0512. That's our short entry, right? There we go. But we short up here. 0.09. You guys goes way back. The Button is in funny mood. Do we have any kind of breakdown over here? 5 minute time frame, I mean, technically no. The ceiling in our house collapse, dealing with aftermath. How does a ceiling collapse in a house? Did you have a party in the second floor or something like that? Place trade 50% of we goes right direction, add more after. We don't do that. We degens. We just 100% each move. Because where is the excitement in doing, 2% of the count, 10, 50, dollar cost average, build up the position? Where is the excitement? You think people go to Las Vegas, the casinos, to make money? No, they go to get excitement. And they lose money, sure, that's fine, but they get excitement. Bro, price action or SMC, which is better? First of all, I don't know what price action is or SMC is, so now you know where you wild party. Yeah, that's what then it's fine. Roof, ceiling failing because of the party is fine. Ceiling failing because your house is old, it's not fine. Sign a plus zero house and it turns out above the plaster is rotten wooden plaster. Yeah, that's not fine. Rotten, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Like if it did fall down, like old house rotten and stuff like that. Technically, we're gambling like black and red. Technically, long or short. But in black and red, how much you get on black red in roulette? Black red potential payout, so you only double your money if on black and red, right? But here, I mean, you can more than double your money on black and red. Unfortunately, first you gotta, you know, get to that point. Oh, this is actually bad. Oh, this is bad. Oh, that's bad. Right now, this trend line over here that we are talking about, like, it's getting broken. Ah, man. Ah, come on. Why you do me like that? Why you do me like that? Should have waited for, you know, 5 more minutes. I mean, we could have waited 5 more minutes. We could have waited 5 more minutes. I'm also showing Phantom button 1 hour chart. It's way, not, it's way. The V is from the famous V oak tree. It was almost 500 years old when it was destroyed. Way. I don't know how to spell that. Way is a nicer way. I'll try. If it's 50-50, aren't 50% traders supposed to be profitable? Why they are 94% profitable? Good question, man. Good question. I don't know. Why way? Okay, why way? I can do that. I can do why way. Finally closed up here, but it's kind of looking like he wants to flip over. Please flip over. The problem is this 1 hourly candle. It might start going up and then continue down, right? Well, look at a 50-minute candle, man. That's bouncing hard. Still 3 minutes left on that one. Way, though, if it's still spelled out. Why way? New moon on Wednesday. Yeah, but we also had the full moon, and full moon didn't do anything. Right now it's coming new moon, and we don't know if it's gonna do anything. We don't care about moons. We're done with the moons. The moons betrayed us. How can you trust the thing that betrays you? Market play with psychology. It goes opposite until you remove your trade. This looks like bullish, man. I don't know about you, this looks bullish to me. Full moons only work in bull trends. We currently bearish trends, so new moon should be more effective. I hope you're wrong. There you go, we got some kind of doji up here at top up here. Now we should have shorted. Now, you see, we should have waited. Broke the trend over here, retest that, wait up there, get some kind of pump. Pull back. But no, we get a FOMO in at the bottom, at the support level. How much to the 1 hourly close? 2 minutes left. Okay, let's take 5 minute break again because, you know, 2 minutes left. I don't want to sit here and wait. Well. There we go. He set a stop loss. There is no stop loss. Mental stop loss. This is exactly what I was waiting for. Unfortunately, no bottom wick over here. But it goes up here towards the tops up here. So right now we are waiting for pullback. We are down by 62%. Losing a bunch of money. Bitcoin also pumps a little bit over here. Everything pumps. Let's check out Algo. Yeah, Algo is getting a pump. Oh man. That was such a nice short. that we didn't take. Do you have any kind of volume over here? Nah, not yet. What is your view on the current monthly bearish divergence on printing on Bitcoin? Monthly bearish divergence on Bitcoin. There is no bearish divergence on Bitcoin on the monthly time frame. Well, this is not good. Bitcoin needs to get rejected. Let's see how Bitcoin is doing. 1 hourly. Looks good. Bearish, bearish, bearish. Bumps up a little bit. Bearish. 4 hourly. Maybe some kind of doge over here. Daily. Nah, just pumping a little bit. It's okay. It's all good, guys. It's all good and dandy in the world of trading. You know. This might, very likely might be the biggest loss we're gonna have so far. Markets are now open. They open at 12. The entry is, you know, dubious. Daily, weekly, monthly close. Yeah, all closes in 2 hours. Daily, weekly, monthly. Half a year. I think 6 months as well. Yeah, 6 months as well is closing. Like everything is closing right now. So it is very, very, very important, you know, close. Future and FX markets are open. It's only a mental loss. Yeah, guys, we are not losing. So it's only in our head. It's only a mental loss. Invert the chart. The price looks bullish though, unfortunately. First of all, we didn't take this one where we should have taken it, which is a problem. And right now we are sitting stuck in a bad trade. Check Tron, only coin holding with bitcoins. Yeah, I've been saying that, you know, Tron is very, very bullish. Tron is actually... Tron is actually very, very bullish coin. And the chart has been, you know, playing so well. Unfortunately, it's not good for trading because Tron moves very, very slow. Like, very slow. But it is very bullish coin. I've been saying like Tron is very bullish since, you know, for a long time. So if you go to Tron chart over here, we have a couple lines on Tron over here. Let's go to weekly time frame. Like, look at this over here. And you know, when I saw this move up here, I was like, guys, Tron is bullish. And then we're going, Tron is extremely bullish, like over here. Even this double bottom up here, but it moves so slow. But it's very bullish. I bet the claim about 95% losing is bogus. Probably it's 95 people who gave trading a go at one point, but most can't quit after a few weeks. Yeah, so when it comes to that percentage, you know, 95% trade and stuff like that, it's all traders that trade. And I did read a Brazilian analytic from some exchange where they found out, you know, anybody who trained above a certain amount of money for a certain amount of time, you know, 97% loss or something like that. So it is real, but I think, you know, people who persist over time, you know, that percentage doesn't apply to them. So, you know, you gotta split traders into different categories. Those who persist, or those who do it on a hobby basis, those who take it seriously. Like if you take, you know, I wouldn't say profit, but if you take retail traders, like, you know, traders like you and me, that are just trading a little bit here, a little bit there, but they are consistent, I think the win-loss rate is a lot different than, you know, if you take everything into account. I mean, it's just statistics, right? And if you know anything about statistics, you know that if you torture statistics enough, you know, statistics will confess to everything. I mean, that's the saying, right? If you torture the data enough, it will confess to anything, right? So if you want to, you know, show any kind of, you know, leverage in the statistics this way or that way, or, you know, make your point, I mean, with statistics you can do that very easily. So we showed it up here at the top. I almost like, oh man. Failed to break this resistance over here. Came up there to the top. Let's see. Let's see if he gets out of this channel towards the other side eventually. But it does look a little bit too bullish. And Bitcoin looks bullish as well. I don't know if you're watching Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin looks bullish. It's true, I saw statistics on prop firm challenges, 85% loss there, found it count. Yeah, I mean, most people, I'm pretty sure, like, if you take everybody who ever traded, or traded for a, you know, a very short period of time, then 95. But this is very, very normal. Like, if you take anything in life, literally anything in life, and you try that, you will figure out that you're gonna lose. Like anybody starting with soccer or football or tennis or chess or anything like that, anything you start with, you're gonna probably lose, and you're gonna probably be in that 95% people that lose. Now, sticking through, learning, improving, getting better, gets you out of that 95%, right? But most people don't. It's like life expenses stats that me with times, people measure hardly. That's actually correct. Past anabolic, past 14 reality, take out the infants and early childhood mortality, pregnancy, that, and same as now. Exactly. So the statistics say that, you know, average life expectancy in the Middle Ages is 40 years old. This is very true, but it's actually 17 years old if you can get past the first 5 years. Why? Because a lot of babies die in, you know, in the first 5 years. And that's pushing down the numbers. Also, there has been, you know, brutal wars and stuff like that, right? But if you can get through the brutal wars, if you can get through first 5 years of pregnancy, you will live to 70, 80 years old. So that is very true. So, do most traders lose money? True. Do most traders that stick around for a, you know, and trading for a year or two lose money? I don't know. I don't know what kind of statistics on that, but I would believe it's, you know, less than 95%. But everything is about sticking through. And this is not dumping, which is quite bad. And I literally don't know right now where, you know, where to exit the position. Because this closed, you know, 1 hourly above the 200 moving average. There is no bottom wick up here, so, you know, I'm still waiting that something happen. 4 hourly closing in 1 hour and 42 minutes, still very, very much bullish. It's still kind of climbing towards upside up here slowly. What's trade you in? Unfortunately, Phantom at a very bad entry point as well. 512. So you see, we are not doing well. We shorted the bottom. But yeah, I mean, this volume over here, I mean, it looks like it's climbing towards the upside, but... And this part over here, it's not done just yet. We need Bitcoin to pull down, and it's not pulling down. Okay, maybe Bitcoin is gonna pull down. God damn it, can you please drop? It looks bullish, unfortunately. Wait, we are on the wrong chart. No, we are on the right chart. I don't see it though. So trading just hobby too. Yeah. I mean, we are trading with like $200. It's only entertainment, you know. I got a YouTube channel. People are interested in trading. So there is that. Looks like accumulation to me. How much extended are we on a 1 hourly time frame? I mean, we are getting these highs up here without actually pulling higher. Momentum is building kind of towards upside. Right now, RSI on the hourly is 75, which is pretty high for an hourly time frame, and also is doing this zigzag pattern up here. I think it's gonna drop. I'm not quite sure, but you know, it looks like that. Let's give it a little bit of time. I think Bitcoin is kind of ready for a drop, at least on 1 minute time frame, at least a pullback or something like that. Manipulation necked. When we are in profit, we exit early, then it pumps more. When we are in loss, we exit, then it goes profitable. If you had CVD in your TI, you probably have gone short there. Yeah, but I don't. And I don't want to do that. I don't want to do CVD and volume profile and volume candles and whatever this new thing is over here. Where is the new thing? See this volume footprint. I mean, how much volume do you need? And then, you know, volume order books and then volume this and volume that. Nah, we don't do that, man. You may trace to 0688. Yeah, I'm bet 0688. Hey, that's nice. Maybe. I'm counting on you, man. Bullish candle above the midline over here. Looks like it's gonna go higher. Bitcoin's going higher. Are you related to Magnus Carlsen? Unfortunately, no. Taking her off, so I do a little self-study on CVD and open interest. Nah. You know, when people trading, people have too many indicators to analyze the chart, this, that, and they get lost in analysis. But everything is just about, you know, support level and, you know, support level, you long. And of course, we shorted the support level. We literally shorted the support level. We didn't have very nice lines. So I think very first, you know, the very first is having nice lines. Analysis paralysis. It just fuckery, mate. It should come down soon. Thanks, man. I appreciate the honest, you know, analysis. You won't regret it. I am pretty sure I will regret it. So, you know, I'll say pass on that one. Add new rule to your trading rules. Which one should that be? What about Magnus Midtbø? I don't know who that is. He's a rock climber. Nah, unfortunately not. Buy the top of the range, never sell bottom of the range. Rule 1, trade always opposite direction. Yeah. Copy, trade opposite direction, and don't fiddle in the middle. Ooh, that's good. Don't fiddle in the middle. But before you can actually, you know, before you can long the supports and short the resistance level, you have to have a channel. I mean, that's alpha and omega, right? If you don't have a channel, like, what you're even doing, right? And to tell you the truth over here, this looks, you know, as seconds go by, this looks more and more bullish. And I don't know what I'm doing with my life, but this is not good. You should wait for manipulation before you enter a trade. Usually an indication is the reaction will follow. And what kind of manipulation are we talking about over here right now? Stable bleed of the count with stop losses. I mean, there was literally, there was no wick. Like, that messed me up. Like, no wick. Literally no wick. Where is the wick? There is wick, 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 there is wick. There is a little bit wick, there is wick, there is wick, there is a little bit wick. I don't know if you can see it. There is wick, there is wick, there is wick, there is literally wick all over the place, but there is no wick over here. Why is there no wick? How can I trade if you don't give me a wick? General sweep of the highs or lows. Well, we are above all, you know, the highs, you know, sweep above the highs already. So, you know, there's that. But this is on 5-minute time frame. Let's go a little bit, you know, 1 hour time frame up here. 4 hourly. If you're gonna sweep the highs, it's up here above 63 or something like that. So, you know, like, if you look at it like this over here, like, bullish. Where is my hopium when you need one? Huh? Where is the hopium when you need them? Right now, our account is down like 11%. Like $30 down. Can you imagine that? But this is 1-minute trend, and 1-minute trend do fail eventually and go down a little bit, right? Big volume on these two candles over here towards stop. Still continues going up. It is very, very strongly bullish, unfortunately. So now we have to wait, you know, all the way down as well. Bitcoin served the highs. Yeah, Bitcoin is exploding. OMG. But it's hitting that, you know, that line. Look at that, on the dollar. Maybe there is hope, guys. Maybe there is hope. The volume's coming out to these stops over here as well. Now we wait for the retest. Now we dump it to 0. You know, in these kind of times, you know, I want Bitcoin to go to 0. What kind of bullish candle is that? FEO, there is a lot of chat right now about imminent financial collapse and contagion. Recent Japanese yen action is. You know what? There has been imminent financial collapse and contagion looming just around the corner for 3 years now. So when you say imminent, I can tell you right now, it's not gonna happen before November because of the elections. So there's that. So if you want the imminent stuff to happen, it's gonna be after November 2025-26. So we got time. And I'm out. How can I exit? How can I close the position at the resistance level? Open at the short, open at the support, exit at the resistance. How can I do that and keep my head high? There is no way. I cannot, No, I mean, how can I do that? How can I close the position right now at the resistance? So it's either have to be above the resistance or we go down. I mean, if I do that right now, if I close the position at the resistance level, like, what does it say about my, skills? I mean, not that like there are any skills or anything like that, but If you don't drop down so fast now, nah, it's done. But it, when it starts moving, that's when the top is in, man. When it starts moving. But it looks so bullish. On the flip side, yeah, nah, it is very bullish, unfortunately. 1 minute, 5 minute closing in 3 minutes over here. How big of a loss are we looking at? $50. Imagine losing $50 of your $270 account. We are below our entry. 15 days for nothing. If it does happen imminently, what would that mean for certain segments? I don't know. Guys, this is the worst trade ever. And we gotta close it, unfortunately, in a loss. But if this is not it, I don't know. So let's wait for this 1 minute candle over here. I mean, it's not dropping down, like it's stupidly bullish. Bitcoin exploded towards the upside. There is nothing bearish about this. Game over, guys. Game over. Stop that entry. And there is that, guys. Okay, let's go over here. 30 Phantom short 10x 273 all the way down to 220. What's that now, right? 223, 220 because of the fees. 220. That's minus $53, biggest loss ever. Also, it's Sunday. Regardless, I mean, if we went long, like on the sport level, like we made money, right? Regardless whether it's Sunday or Saturday or Monday or Tuesday, it was just a bad trade, right? Regardless, guys, it's been enjoyable, it's been entertaining. We still got money left, so we're still gonna continue trading tomorrow. that it will be, you know, day 16 over here. What is day 16? Day 16 tomorrow, and that's gonna be 1st of 7th. You know what? I'm just gonna long everything from now on. I'm just gonna long everything from, like, there are no shorting. We've been down for a long time. The trend changed. Just go long on everything. How long now? How can you long at the top? See here. Now it looks bullish. It looks strongly bullish. So I don't know how high it's gonna go. You know, all my theories failed. It's breaking up here above the channel up here. You know, one hour, you know, I thought that this might actually pull back on and something like that. There was no wiki, just explode towards upside. 30 minutes left, like bullish engulfing candle towards ups. Like, it is just strongly bullish, right? And you know, might there come some kind of pullback, something like that? I don't know. You can't low now. I can't believe the news today. Sunday Bloods, I can't believe the news today. Anyways, guys, we're gonna talk more about the trade tomorrow, and you know, how it went, why it went, and stuff like that. I'm getting a little bit tired. Thanks for watching, by the way. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button on the way out. You know how to do that. Also join our Telegram channel, because you know, you can post charts. We can look at your charts. And there's that, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.